Welcome to Boomer Technology Basics. Each video will have a quick and simple lesson to help you with basic computer skills. Lesson 1. Connecting to wireless internet, also called Wi-Fi. To get started, click on the Wi-Fi symbol, usually located in the bottom right-hand corner of your desktop. A list of all networks in your area will appear. Select your network, enter the password, and click Connect or Next. You may be wondering, which network is mine and what's my password? If you don't know the name or password of your network, simply go to your internet box, and on the back or underneath, you will see the default network name and password. Use this information to connect to the internet, and you're all set. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Boomer Technology Basic videos.